Welcome to the 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is worthy. It is spelt W-O-R-T-H-Y. Think worth and then why. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Worthy is an adjective that means something is deserving of respect, attention, or recognition. It can also mean something is of good quality or value. For example, you could say, the candidate was deemed worthy of the job, or the book was worthy of a prize. The word worthy comes from the Old English word worthlich, which means deserving, valuable, and respectable. It is often used to describe people, things, or actions that are deserving of recognition or respect. In the Thor comics and films, Thor's mystical hammer, Mjolnir, can only be lifted by those who are considered worthy by Mjolnir's enchantment. Thor himself, as the god of thunder, is inherently worthy and can wield Mjolnir with ease. However, many other characters try to lift the hammer, but cannot as they are not worthy. Synonyms for worthy are deserving, meritorious, valuable, and respectable. Antonyms for worthy include unworthy, undeserving, and valueless. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, worthy. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time.